Just got our new car today. I'm pretty excited. I've been waiting a couple months actually for it to come in. So I got a 2025 Suburban RST, which I'm pretty excited about, but I'll show you what's unique about this one, because like I said, I was pretty excited about this car. About 23 years ago to be exact, I had a Cobra Mustang that I sent over to ProCharger and had them, fix it up a little bit. They made about 550 horsepower, and it was pretty awesome to drive. So I reached out to ProCharger when I took delivery of this. I got it in Colorado. My buddy's a dealer out there. And had the car sent over to Kansas, where ProCharger put on the first 2025 5.3L blower. So you can see, there you go. We have the Helical P1-X, stage 2 intercooler, 5.3 liter. It still hums like crazy. When you have the hood down, it's actually pretty quiet. So you can't really tell once you put the hood down. You can hear the blower go a little bit. I'll do a quick rev. I'll throw this thing on the stand and kind of just rev it up a little bit so you can hear what it sounds like with the, I think it's got the bullet bypass valve on it. But this thing is fun so far. I'm super excited about it. Guys at ProCharger were really great to work with. Super helpful just to kind of figure this out. I was actually going to see if someone out here could put it on, but I reached out and they said they actually hadn't fit one onto a 25 yet. So glad I sent it out there. They made sure it was done right. I'm going to share, actually have it right here. I have the dyno results. So I'll share this, put it into the video just so you guys can see kind of the difference here with the setup. And I'll put the whole spec in there. 5.3, so it dynoed, let's see, it dynoed at 296 horsepower, 305 foot-pounds of torque before they put the blower on it. So that's just your stock 5.3. Should have probably done the 6.2. Please don't give me shit, but kind of spur of the moment thing. Once they put the P1-X on, it did 459 at the wheel with 436 foot-pounds of torque. So that kind of gives you an idea of just, the stock kit. I'm actually going to have exhaust put on it tomorrow. Kind of see how that opens it up a little bit. But, like I said, these guys were great to work with, super helpful. Took care of me to kind of make sure it was done right. And, I'm excited. I'll link my old car too, just so you can see it. But, I kind of went all over the place from, twin screw to centrifugal, and kind of went back to the ProCharger just because, I have my Mustang. I actually found it on YouTube a few years ago. It's got 65,000 miles on it now. I sold it a long time ago, but 22 years ago. But that ProCharger still just hums along, and I think there's something to say for 20 plus years on a car, 60,000 miles. It's probably driven hard since it was a Mustang, but really excited about it being in this car. I've only put maybe 40 miles on this thing since I got it. Haven't really had a chance to step on it too much, but maybe I'll do another video just to kind of show you all what it's like. But let me add in some footage here of kind of the sound of this thing, and you all can check it out.